When selecting the best vlogging cameras, key features like video quality, portability, and user-friendly controls are essential. High-resolution sensors and excellent low-light performance ensure vibrant and clear footage, while built-in stabilization features enhance smoothness during movement. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best vlogging cameras you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Nikon Z30 is an exceptional mirrorless camera designed specifically for vlogging beginners. This compact APS-C model is Nikon's smallest and most affordable to date, offering a lightweight and user-friendly option for aspiring content creators. With a resolution of 20.9 megapixels and 4K video capabilities at 30 frames per second, it delivers stunning image quality that captures every detail. The standout feature is its 3.0-inch vari-angle touchscreen, which allows users to easily frame shots while vlogging. The screen's intuitive design facilitates effortless transitions to selfie mode, automatically engaging face-tracking autofocus to keep subjects in focus. Although the Z30 lacks a viewfinder and headphone jack, limiting audio monitoring, the impressive 1650mm kit lens provides sharp imagery and full sensor utilization for broader compositions. The camera's electronic vibration reduction enhances stability during handheld shooting, making it ideal for dynamic vlogging environments. Additionally, with options for uncropped 4K and HD 120p video, creators can experiment with various styles and perspectives. The Sony ZV-E10 Mark II is a powerful APS-C mirrorless camera designed for creators who demand high-quality imagery and versatile functionality. At its core lies a 26-megapixel back-illuminated Exmor RC-MOS sensor, offering exceptional performance, capturing images with 10 times the size of an average smartphone sensor and 3 times that of premium compact cameras. This sensor technology produces stunning resolution and intricate detail, elevating your photography to professional levels. Compatibility with a wide range of E-mount lenses expands creative possibilities, featuring the versatile EPZ 16-50mm f3.5-5.6 OSS2 zoom lens in its kit. The camera also incorporates a creative look function, providing 10 presets for easy customization of moods in both stills and videos. Real-time eye AF technology ensures precise focus on the eyes of both humans and animals, while real-time tracking keeps the subject in sharp focus even when moving. For those who wish to capture fast action, the ZV-E10 Mark II supports up to 60 FPS in 4K and 120 FPS in Full HD, including 5 times slow-motion options. The Fujifilm X-S20 stands out as an exceptional mirrorless camera, perfectly tailored for vloggers and content creators. Boasting a compact APS-C sensor with a resolution of 26.1 megapixels, it captures vibrant, detailed images, ensuring your videos have striking visual quality. The user-friendly design includes simplified dials that facilitate effortless operation, making it accessible for novices and seasoned creators alike. With a 3.0-inch vari-angle touchscreen and a 0.39-inch EVF, the X-S20 enables flexible shooting angles, enhancing creativity in your content. It supports impressive video capabilities, including 6.2K recording at 30 frames per second, allowing you to achieve professional quality footage. The advanced in-body image stabilization ensures smooth and stable videos, even during dynamic shoots. Connectivity options like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth make sharing your work straightforward, while the larger battery provides extended shooting sessions, crucial for long vlogs. Although the absence of weather sealing is a limitation, the dedicated vlog mode offers quick access to essential settings, making it an enticing choice for those focused on video content. The Panasonic Lumix GH7 stands out as a premier choice for vlogging and videography enthusiasts, seamlessly combining advanced technology with user-friendly features. This mirrorless camera boasts a 25.2 megapixel micro Four Thirds sensor, offering impressive resolution and clarity for both video and still images. The GH7 supports stunning 5.7K 60p internal recording in ProRes RAW HQ, alongside 4K at 120 frames per second and full HD at an astonishing 240 frames per second, making it ideal for capturing high-motion scenes. Equipped with a 3.68 million dot electronic viewfinder and a 3.0-inch articulating touchscreen, the GH7 allows for precise framing and easy monitoring of your shots from various angles. Its robust connectivity options, including Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, ensure seamless sharing and remote control functionality. Industry-leading image, stabilization, and unlimited recording times, thanks to an integrated cooling fan, enhance its versatility, making it suitable for lengthy shoots. While the camera's performance may not excel in low light conditions, its durable build and array of features make it a worthy investment for aspiring filmmakers. The GH7 effectively addresses previous model shortcomings, providing a powerful, reliable tool for those looking to elevate their vlogging experience. The Sony ZV-E1 is a powerful compact camera tailored for content creators seeking versatility without sacrificing quality. Featuring a 1-inch sensor and a resolution of 20.1 megapixels, it delivers stunning image clarity, making it ideal for vlogging and professional video work. The effective focal length of 24-70mm enhances its adaptability, while the 3.0-inch vari-angle touchscreen with 0.921 million dots ensures intuitive framing and ease of use from various angles. With a maximum movie resolution of 4K at 30 frames per second, the ZV-E1 excels in capturing detailed video content. Its advanced real-time tracking and IAF technology are recognized as some of the best in the industry, ensuring that subjects remain sharp and in focus even in dynamic environments. Additional features include a built-in ND filter and S-Log2 profiles, catering to users interested in color grading and post-production. Connectivity options, including Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, facilitate seamless sharing and control, while newer models like the ZV-1F and ZV-1 Mark II present attractive features. The ZV-E1 maintains its status as a top choice due to its superior autofocus system and versatile functionality, delivering exceptional value for both novice and seasoned creators. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.